In this video, I'm going to show you how to download voice message from WhatsApp on PC. Now, take note that this is actually applicable regardless of whoever sent the voice message. Now, say for example, this one I've sent this myself. What you're going to do is just right click on it, and then there is an option to save it as. So you can just go ahead and click that one and then basically save it from wherever you want. Another way is just going to right click it and then choose the select button here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click the copy button here. Now this time I want you to head over to a folder or a file location where you want to paste this. Say this for example, I'm going to right click and then choose the paste button. Now we have the file here. Now I can just go ahead and open this one and then choose, say for example, Firefox, and basically I should be able to play that same voice message. Now say for example you want to convert the file from WAPTT to MP3. Now that's actually very simple. So head over to, say for example, Chrome or any browser of your choice, and then from here just go ahead and type here WAPTT to MP3, just like so. Now we have convert.io here, it's the one I use, and yeah, basically from here you can just go ahead and drag this one into here, and then you make sure that you choose MP3 and then convert this one. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we are done now, so you can go ahead and click the download button here, and then basically save it in wherever folder you want to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and save it here as well, the same way as we had earlier. So now you have your MP3 file, and then you also have here your WAPTT file. And that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.